NiniToon.
Clap your hands and tap your toes. Here we go now. One, we go. Number one is just the start. Count with me and play your part. Let's count to one. Are you ready? One. Number two comes after that. Like two shoes or a kitty cat. Let's count to two. Here we go. One, two. Number three is easy peasy. Counting makes us feel so breezy. Number four is on the floor. Let's count loud and ask for more. Number five, high five in the air. Counting's fun everywhere. Number six rolls in like a trick. Jump and hop real quick, quick. Seven colors in a rainbow, bright. Let's count them left to right. 8 legs on an octopus. Let's count without a fuss. 9 balloons fly in the sky. Count them as they float up high. 10 fingers on both our hands. Wiggle them like rubber bands. Great job, you counted all the way. From 1 to 10, hooray, hooray. Now go back and sing again. Counting fun will never